How to activate T-Mobile eSIM. Now, first things first, if you already chosen the current plan from your eSIM and then as well as the coverage, then you can activate it in no time. But before you purchase one, ensure that this is very important. You have to be or you have to ensure that the phone that you're using is actually a compatible for using an eSIM or a phone that is an eSIM ready. So there is no actual or no technical thing that you will do. All you have to do is just to insert the eSIM or um, uh, just activate or access the specific link where you have purchased the eSIM and where there was send it to your current email address associated with the purchase that you made. So usually activating it is just from your current email address. So once you have fully used that subscription, you can now then activate it without any problems. It will automatically detect from your phone and you will receive an automated messages that the eSIM was fully activated and is ready to be used. And that's it. That's how simple and quick you can activate a T-Mobile eSIM.